So if I were to go in terms of the parts of the business from one part to other, where not necessarily in any hierarchical order, but what comes to my mind, let's say, first of all, content. That's where content creation, content enrichment, content consistency, a lot can be done with the large language models and multimodal models, especially, which can take images as an input or text also as an input and then generate text as an output, for example, multimodal models. Then in search, in terms of search ranking, not necessarily very large language models, since the latencies has to be low. The whatever sub steps which we do, for example, in terms of understanding the intent or extracting the entities, or then behind the scenes now when we do the retrieval and re-ranking and so on, the latencies have to be low. But then there is a lot of play there for the larger LLMs, because they help now mine the information more efficiently. Previously, we used to have a series of models in the industry to do one particular, let's say, mining. Let's say, when I say mining, let's say when I want to, structure the information and keep it in, let's say, in a particular table, or a knowledge, keep the knowledge in a particular table or in a particular graph or some other form. There used to be like many set of models that were necessary now, but large language models are encapsulated. So this mining process has become more efficient because of the models, and that has other many applications. So we said content, we said search, then discovery. Yeah, so discovery, product discovery in many places can be improved. Uh, Post-sale customer support, no brainer. A lot of applications are happening already. I think, and it's true for I think every industry, in fact, for that matter, and travel certainly is benefiting and will benefit. And developer productivity, we have seeing the number of models, the coded tools, models which are being released every alternative week, right? Even recently, for example, like the Claude models that have been released, or the Grok, or the other Gemini models which have been released for coders. And we have and GitHub Copilot, and we use it extensively. Right? Then there are other applications as well. So, for example, on the marketing side, there are a lot of initiatives that one could think of using with the LLMs and with the multimodal models in order to improve the processes.